Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all images in MS Word document. So in this document I have some images and we will remove all the images at once. So first of all press Ctrl plus H. So find and replace feature will open, and also you can go there by home tab and click on replace. Now in here type caret symbol by pressing shift key plus 6. So it's caret symbol. Now type G. So in the find what type caret symbol and G, and in the replace with leave blank and just click on replace all. Press OK. Close it. So all the images in this document are removed. So by this simple method you can remove all the images in MS Word document at once. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates.